talk about a very long function name today, and that is concatenate. And essentially what it does, it allows you to attach pieces of text together to form a new string. So as an example, let's say I wanted to get the person's full name here displayed in one cell. So I'd like their first name, and then attached to that I want their last name. And to start, we're not going to put any punctuation in there. So you do actually have a function in Excel called concatenate. Now, in my opinion, this is kind of a long way to do it. I'm going to show you a short way, but if you did equals concatenate, open bracket, it says, okay, where's your first piece of text? Well, let's start with the first name, and then a comma. Then where's your second piece of text? And let's finish with the last name. And then I'm just going to close the bracket. This could go on and on and on. You could add another comma, another comma, another comma, and it would continue on attaching those pieces of text together. So if I hit enter, you'll see that I get that filled in. It takes the first name, attaches their last name to it. If we wanted to modify this slightly, we absolutely could. I could come into this function and say, you know what, I'd like a space between the names. So after the first comma, in quotations, because if it's a literal text string that you want to show up, you got to put it in double quotes. So I want the first name, which is A2, comma, then I want a space, comma, then I want B2, which is the last name, enter, and now I get the name with a space attached in between. Now you can use the concatenate function. The other way to do this would be to use the ampersand operator. So as an example, let's say I want their email to be their first name dot last name at xyz.com, let's just say. So how I would do that is a little bit simpler. I would say equals their first name, and then how you attach pieces of text together, instead of a plus sign, you would use the ampersand sign. So if I did A2 and then in quotes I'm going to put a dot, and then attached to that I like the last name, and then attached to that I would like xyz.com. And again, that's going to be placed in quotations. So these ampersand signs work kind of like glue. They're what's sticking these pieces of text together. Notice if I hit enter, oh, I missed a little at symbol there, I apologize, there we go. And then if I fill that down, away you go, and it works for concatenation as well. So you can use the ampersand operator in Excel, or you can use the concatenate function. Lots of different uses for these ones as well. Just depends on what you do and how you use Excel.